Simplified, Chapter 7, Mensuration, Exercise 7.2, Cube and Cuboids. They are three-dimensional figures. So here it is. This is how a cube will look like. Here, cube, the length, breadth and height will be same and we can denote it as A. So here it is. I've shown it in this figure. The length, the breadth and the height is A. For the TSA of a cube, TSA means total surface area of a cube. The formula is 6a square units. Okay. And the lateral surface area, LSA, is equal to 4a square units. So this formula is for cube only, where the length, breadth and the height will be equal. Only then it is a cube and we can apply this formula. TSA is equal to 6a square, LSA is equal to 4a square. In a cuboid, the length, breadth and height will be different. This is how it will look. Can you see? Length, breadth and height are different. Here the TSA, the total surface area, is equal to 2 into brackets LB plus BH plus HL, close the bracket, square units, and lateral surface area LSA is equal to 2H in the bracket L plus B, close the bracket, square units. So these are the two formulas for cuboid, and for cube also we have two formulas. Please memorize these formulas thoroughly. Okay, question 1, exercise 7.2. Find the total surface area and the lateral surface area of a cuboid whose dimensions are length is equal to 20 cm, breadth is 15, height is 8 cm. So this is how the figure will look like: length, breadth and height. So write down the formula TSA of a cuboid: 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. L is 20, B is 15, H is 8. Substitute, solve this, you will get the answer as 1160 square centimeter. Be careful, you should write always the unit. Area, the unit will be square units. So here it is centimeter, so square centimeter. Okay. LSA of a cuboid is 2H into L plus B. Again substitute the values of L and B. Simplify it, you get the answer as 560 square centimeter. Question 2. The dimensions of a cuboidal box are 6 meters, 400 centimeters and 1.5 meters. Find the cost of painting its entire outer surface at the rate of rupees 22 per meter square. So here length is 6 meter, breadth is 400 centimeter, that is 4 meter, and height is 1.5 meter. So these are the dimensions. Now write down the formula for cuboid. TSA, total surface area, because we want the entire outer surface. So we have to take TSA only, is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL square units. Substitute these values, carefully solve this, and you'll get the answer as 78 square meter. Here it is meter, so we should write square meter. Cost of painting is rupees 22 per square meter. So for 78 square meter, it is 22 multiplied by 78, that is rupees 1716 is the total cost. Question 3. The dimensions of a hall is 10 meter into 9 meter into 8 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls and the ceiling at the rate of rupees 8.50 per meter square. So first write down the length, breadth and height. So here they are saying cost of whitewashing the walls only. Okay, that means it is the lateral surface area, not the total surface area. So we are only going to whitewash the walls plus the ceiling. So first write down the formula for the lateral surface area: 2 into LH plus BH. Okay, now what is the surface area of ceiling only? It will be length into breadth. So we are going to whitewash the lateral surface as well as the ceiling. So we have to add both of this. Okay, once you have written this down, it's very simple. Substitute the values and then you will get the answer. Then the cost is rupees 8.50 per meter square. So for 394, you have to multiply with 8.50 you will get the answer as 3,349 is the total cost. Once again, I repeat, in this sum, we have to find the surface area of the walls as well as the ceiling only. So for the walls, the 4 walls, we have to take the lateral surface area, which is 2 into LH plus BH, plus the ceiling. The surface area of ceiling is LB. So the surface area which you are going to whitewash is this. Okay. Find the TSA and LSA of the cube whose sides are. Okay. So first write down the formula for TSA of a cube, 6a square. LSA of a cube is 4a square. Then let's take the first sum, 8 meters. So here a is equal to 8. Simply substitute here, 6 into 8 square. You get 384. LSA is 4 into 8 square. You get 4 into 64, that is 256 square meter. Second sum, 21 centimeter. Here the value of a is 21. Substitute in this formula 6 into a square, 21 square. You get 2646 square centimeter. LSA is 4 into 21 square, that is 1764 square centimeter. In the last sum, a is 7.5. Similarly, write down for TSA 7.5 whole square is equal to 337.5 square centimeter. LSA is 4 into 7.5 whole square is equal to 225 square centimeter. Here you have to be very careful in doing all the multiplication. Don't make any careless mistake here. If the total surface area of a cube is 2400 centimeters square, then find its lateral surface area. So TSA they have given, they are asking us to find the LSA. So what is TSA? 6a square. They are saying the 6a square is 2400. So write down TSA is equal to 6a square is equal to 2400. Therefore a square is 2400 divided by 6, that is 400. We'll leave it as it is because we are going to substitute this in LSA. Write down the formula for LSA, 4a square. So here in place of a square, write down 400. So 4 into 400 is 1600 square centimeter. So this sum, they have given us the TSA and they are asking us to find the LSA. So we'll keep this a square as it is and substitute for LSA. A cubical container of side 6.5 meter is to be painted on the entire outer surface. Find the area to be painted and the total cost of painting it at the rate of rupees 24 per square meter. So here we need to know the TSA, the total area to be painted. And this is a cube. So A is equal to 6.5 meters. So TSA of a cube is 6 into a square. So here write down 6.5 square. Evaluate this, you will get 253.5 square meters. Cost of painting is 24 per square meter. So multiply this with the total area. You will get the value as rupees 6084. Do all the multiplications carefully in the rough sheet. Okay. Question 7. Three identical cubes of side 4 cm are joined end to end. Find the total surface area and the lateral surface area of the new resulting cuboid. So 3 cubes have been joined like this. So this is first cube, second cube, third cube. Cube, you know, all the 3 values will be same, length, breadth and height. Okay, they are joined like this. Now this makes a cuboid. They are asking us the TSA and LSA of this cuboid. So when you join 3 cubes like this, the length will change. Length will become 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12. But the height will remain the same. The breadth also will remain the same. So only the length becomes 12. Breadth is 4, height is h. Now LSA of the cuboid, you know the formula, write it down, substitute these values, evaluate, you get 128 square centimeter. For the TSA, write down the formula, again substitute the value of L as 12, B as 4, H as 4 and evaluate, you will get the answer as 224 square centimeter.